Então grava ela me mamando, me mamando, me mamando. Então grava ela me mamando, me mamando, me mamando. Então grava ela me mamando, me mamando, me mamando.
Viewers, my name is Rihanna Lihugo and welcome to our vlog. So, what is the main purpose of having a knowledge of making a straight-through Ethernet cable? If you want to know, just keep watching. Help avoid hours frustration and troubleshooting, and less gastos na rin siya. If you are dealing with a poorly cabled network, this knowledge will help you to find the problem and fix it more efficiently.
Hi guys! We're going to ICT Lab to make a straight-through Ethernet cable. Materials.
There are lots of tools and materials that we can use like scissors, cutters to cut the jacket of the cable.
Second, cut the jacket about 1 inch long. Trim the wires to the same length.
Make sure na yung pagkakakat mo ng mga wires is pantay. Kasi kung hindi yan pantay, hindi siya gagana at sayang lang yung nakat mo na cable.
Insert the wires to the RJ45.
Guys, reminder, dapat i-check mo muna yung color pattern bago mo siya ipasok sa RJ45 para maiwasan ng complication.
Crimp the RJ45 plug with the crimping tool.
I-crimp mo na. Make sure na tama ang pasok ng RJ45 baka masira. May maririnig ka na click sound during the procedure. Ibig sabihin nun, na-crimp mo na.
Repeat the step to the other end of the utility cable. Test the cable using LAN tester.
Tapos mo i-crimp both ends. You need to test it using LAN cable tester if it is functional. Dahil straight through Ethernet cable ang gagawin natin, ang pattern dapat ng ilaw ay sunod-sunod, like 11, 22, hanggang sa 88 na. So kapag ganun ang result na nakita nyo sa tester, then you did it successfully.
Clean the workstation and the materials used.
Thanks for watching guys, and I hope you learned on how to make a straight-through Ethernet cable. No hate, spread love. Bye!
I got broads in Atlanta, just to go in the family. Credit cards and the scammers, getting no licks in the bank.